How to use TickTick. Let's jump right in. Alright, first things first, you need to get TickTick on your device. Head over to their website or just grab it from your app store, whether you're on iOS, Android, Windows, or macOS. Super easy. Once you've got it, sign up with your email, or if you're feeling fancy, use your social media account to get started. Quick and painless. Now that you're all set up, let's take a look around. When you log in, you'll land on the main dashboard, where you'll see all your tasks, lists, and different views like calendar and Kanban. Don't worry if it looks like a lot. Just explore the navigation bar to get comfy. You'll find everything from tasks to settings here. Easy peasy. Okay, let's add some tasks to the mix. Click the big plus button, you can't miss it, or hit Add Task. Now, here's where it gets cool. You can add all the details, due dates, priority levels, and tags. You can even type things like, tomorrow at 3 p.m., and TickTick will know exactly what you mean. It's like magic, but better. Once you've got a bunch of tasks, you're going to want to organize them, right? Create different lists for work, personal stuff, whatever. You can even group related lists into folders for a little extra organization. It's like having a digital filing cabinet, but way cooler. Got a big project? No problem. Just break it down into smaller tasks by adding subtasks. This helps you keep track of all the little steps so nothing falls through the cracks. Plus, it's so satisfying to check things off one by one. Don't you love it when your phone reminds you to do things? TickTick's got you covered. Set one-time reminders, or if you're the I need reminders every day type, set recurring ones. You can even set location-based reminders so you get notified when you're near the grocery store, perfect for that shopping list. Just make sure notifications are on so you don't miss a thing. Here's where TickTick shines with some cool views. You can use the list view, which is just a simple, clean list of your tasks. If you're more visual, check out the Kanban view. It organizes your tasks into columns like to do, in progress, and done. Or, if you're a planner, the calendar view will let you see everything on a calendar. It's like a bird's eye view of your schedule. Now, let's talk about some extra features that'll seriously boost your productivity. First up, the Pomodoro timer. It's based on the Pomodoro technique, which helps you focus by working in intervals and taking breaks. Super effective. There's also a habit tracker if you want to keep tabs on your daily habits. Oh, and the Eisenhower matrix. It helps you figure out which tasks are urgent and important so you can prioritize like a pro. TickTick isn't just for you. It's also great for teamwork. You can share lists and assign tasks to others. So, if you're working on a group project, everyone can stay on the same page. Collaboration made easy. And that's a wrap. By following these steps, you'll be using TickTick like a productivity guru in no time. Whether you're organizing your personal to-dos or collaborating with a team, this app has all the tools you need to stay on top of things. So go ahead and start ticking off those tasks, and don't forget to hit that like button if you found this guide helpful. Catch you in the next video.